people out there, it's me again. So welcome to my first episode of Convos with Chris. I know you guys are used to my Let's Talk Tuesdays, but I wanted to switch it up a little bit just to make it more intimate, make it more girl chat like, because I don't know, I've always wanted that. And with my Let's Talk Tuesdays, I didn't want to always feel like I had to wait until Tuesday to post, topics or to post conversations. So I figured, why not switch it to something more girl talk like, So cheers to Convos with Chris. So if you have any topics or any questions that you would like to discuss, let me know down below and we would do that. It'll be posted whenever there's a topic that needs to be discussed. And I'm gonna try to do them at least twice a month. So y'all pray for me because I know I've been slacking on them. So in today's Convos with Chris, we're going to talk about some life updates. There's a lot of updates that I need to catch you guys up on. I feel like I don't talk to you guys as much on this channel because, I was gonna get rid of it, which I'll talk about. Some of you guys are subscribed to my vlogging channel, some of you guys aren't. So for those who aren't subscribed to my vlogging channel, I'm going to share a few updates with you guys, or if you are following me on my vlogging channel, I'm going to talk about these updates on here as well. So let's talk about it, shall we? So the first update I would like to tell you guys about is we moved. Yes, you guys, my family and I moved from Maryland and we now reside in Texas, y'all. 5 years ago when my husband and I got married, we did not see this coming, but that's why they say if you want to make God laugh, tell him your plans, because I'm sure he was cracking up like sight. As you know, our family and friends are all in Maryland, and that's where we started our life together, and we just had no idea that this was going to happen. Well, back then we had no idea that this was going to be in our future. If you guys would like an update about our experience here in Texas, what we like about it, what we don't like, or comparing the two, up north living to south living, southern living, then let us know if we can do that for you guys. Give us about 6 months because we're still fairly new. We've only been here for a week and a half, and we don't want to tell you anything that doesn't make sense because we haven't experienced it yet. So just give us about 6 months and we'll definitely try to update you guys on our experience. But if you guys would like to see behind the scenes or our adventures, definitely stop what you're doing, go subscribe to my vlogging channel. I think I'm almost at 19K. Yay! I'm meeting almost to my short-term goal, 20K. So woo-hoo, cheers to that. Yes, we are now Texas residents. We are in our new home, and say too, okay, just woke up, so say hi. Say hi, Justin. He just woke up, you guys. Ooh, I'm a fart on mommy. It's so silly. So yeah, about this channel, I've been on YouTube. This past September made it 5 years since I've been on YouTube, you guys. And I just can't believe it's been 5 years already. Like, where is the time going? And back then, I had no idea that I would still be doing this. When I started my YouTube, I left my job to become a stay-at-home mother, and I actually did a blog post about this. The link will be in the description box so if you have time to read it. It's pretty lengthy, but it talks about my journey in depth and just explaining this whole situation or whatever. So if you have time today, you can definitely go and check it out and read all about it. But pretty much I'll give you a synopsis about this whole journey. My intentions was never to become a YouTuber. I was a blogger at first, which I truly love, and I will, I still do it to this day. But to become a YouTuber, no, never thought about that or whatnot. So it still surprises me that I'm still doing it to this day. Through this journey, it's been up and down. You guys know that I've experienced creators funk, like just not knowing what to do, what to post and stuff like that. And also, like I said, I had no intentions of doing YouTube. So when once Maddie got a little older, I wanted to go back to the corporate world or back in the federal government. So I was applying, and nothing, no job, nobody was hiring me, or they say I'm unqualified or I'm not highly qualified or whatever. And it was very discouraging. Like, if you look at my emails, you just see no, just 100 emails saying no, you're not qualified. Like, my friends are doing very well, some are making 6 figures, they have titles, they're accountants, lawyers, engineers, bankers or whatever, teachers, they're doing very, very well. And here I am still lost as to what I am to do in my life. You know, I have a master's degree. You know, I wanted to do, you know, broadcasting, anchoring, and stuff like that, and it's like nothing. I mean, I've had depression before, but I think as an adult, that's where it stems from, because as a mom, you want to do what you have to do for your kids, and when you can't do what you have to do for your kids, it becomes very discouraging. And that's been my struggle. So here I am 5 years later, still doing YouTube. So at this point, I have no other choice. I am going to take my passion, because I am truly passionate about, because that's what I wanted to do. I wanted to work a full-time job and do this as a hobby. I can work in the daytime, you know, pay my bills and stuff like that, and invest back in my hobby, because being a YouTuber is not cheap. You got to invest in good equipment and lighting and editing software, you know, this and that. It is not cheap. And sometimes I have to wait until our means allow me to get better equipment, or to get this and get that, to invest back in my business or my hobby. I'm not, you know, making what I used to make with the federal government or whatnot. So at this point, I just have no choice. So I'm willing to humble myself, trust that God has a reason for me being on this platform, and turn my passion into profit, pretty much. So, you know, like I said, in the blog post, I go in great detail about it, but I'm just want to let you guys know that I'm going to, you know, be a full-time creator, because at this time in my life, I have no choice. I'm not going to continue to be depressed over things I can't change, and I truly love it. I love connecting with you all. I love just being able to be creative. I feel like I'm a weirdo, but being a weirdo makes me more creative, because I sit down, I think like, what can I do to make this creative? And here I am. Yeah, I'm going to be a full-time creator, and y'all pray for me, because this journey is not easy. I've tried it plenty of times, to the point where I just gave up, you know, plenty of times, and I'm just like, why am I doing this? This is, every time I post, you know, I'm only getting 300 views or 100 views. You know, I'm not hitting my goals like I want to. But instead of having that mentality and attracting those things, I'm going to think positive thoughts. I'm going to think as though I have it, or as though I've met these goals, and work towards those goals that I'm trying to accomplish. Like I said, at first I was going to quit this channel, because I felt like it was just all over the place. You know how some channels are strictly routines, they're strictly hair, they're strictly interior, they have a purpose for their channel. And I felt like with my channel, it was just all over the place. 1 minute is hair, 1 minute is this, 1 minute is that, and I don't want to be all over the place with this channel, you know what I'm saying? So now that I'm in a new home, I'm in the South now, I found this new passion about Southern living and home interior, cleaning videos. I really am truly passionate about those things. I really love those kind of videos. So those are the kind of videos that I'm going to give out more. Of course, I'll still do hair. I'm still going to do my Convos with Chris. You know, still do kid videos, but I'm going to try to incorporate more cleaning videos, routine videos, hair videos, and I'm going to stick to a schedule. So my schedule will be Monday, Wednesday, and Saturdays. So I'm going to be posting 3 times on this channel. It's not going to be like Motherhood Mondays or, you know, Hair Wednesdays. It's like that. It's just whenever I get the video done and edited, it's going to be posted on Monday, Wednesday, and Saturdays at 12 Central Time, because I'm Central Time now. So that's going to be 1 o'clock Eastern Standard and other time zones or whatnot. My vlogging channel, those videos will be posted Monday and Thursdays at 5 o'clock Central Time, which is 6 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. So yeah, I'm just trying to stick to a schedule, and I'm just trying to stay consistent, because that's, people have this, you know, key to success and everything, and really the key to any success in this life is consistency. Don't let these people fool you or tell you, oh, pay $500 for me to tell you the key to success. No, honey, the key to success is consistency. So I'm just trying to stay consistent, put out good quality content, and I just pray that you guys will continue to support me and all that good stuff. So like I said, check that blog post for more details, but that's what's going to be happening over here at the Chrissy Wise channel. Any other life updates I want to share with you guys? I'm about to be 30 years old, you guys. Like, it scared me at first to know that I'm about to be 30, but at this time in my life, like, I'm just ready. You know, I'm going to enter 30. a new woman, a brand new woman, a better woman, and a successful woman. Because I feel like in my 20s, I was just all over the place. The one thing about me is I'm a go-getter, okay? Like, I go and get mine. That's why with this whole thing, when I wasn't like getting what I wanted out of it, it kind of discouraged me from wanting to do it. But all in all, I don't give up. I'm not a quitter. I'm a go-getter, and I work hard for what I want. So I'm just going to continue to work hard to be a better me spiritually, mentally, physically, and financially, because I gotta save up for my kids' future. I don't want my kids to have student loans. I don't want them to have to struggle or anything. So I gotta work hard, y'all. I got to work hard. That's why everything I do, I work hard for them. I'm just looking forward to being 30, y'all. I'm so excited. Like, I just feel like this is gonna be my decade. Like, my 20s was just the best thing out of my 20s was that I got 2 degrees, I got married, I found love really early. I'm thinking like, oh, I'm about to be, I'll get married and have kids in my 30s. Obviously, God had other plans for me. I've learned a lot about myself. I've learned a lot about friends. I've learned a lot about life, okay? So I'm gonna take those life lessons and just embrace it in my 30s. But I'm going to continue to be better. I'm going to continue to go to therapy. I'm going to continue to just be wiser, make wiser decisions, and just keep positivity around me. Like, if you are somebody, like if you're a friend, family, even subscriber, if you aren't trying to grow, if we aren't trying to grow or prosper in this life, then we can't be in the same circle. I'm trying to elevate, I'm trying to grow, I'm trying to surround myself around like-minded people. So if the conversations aren't about that, if it's always toxic or it's about people and stuff like that, we don't have nothing to talk about, because that's a thing of the past, and I'm trying to focus on the future. I'm trying to be on that Oprah status, that Michelle Obama status, okay? No, I'm just kidding. I ain't trying to be like that, but I would love to prosper like them. And the people you surround yourself around, you got to be careful if you want to get to that level. So all in all, I'm just all about growth in my 30s, and I'm going to enter my 30s a better woman, a brand new woman. I'm going to enter my 30s a better woman, a prosperous woman, and a better woman than I've ever been before, because I want to be the woman that God wants me to be. So cheers to that, you guys. All right, my memory card's about to get full. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, let me know down below all your thoughts, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.